And now, the moment you've been waiting for is here. I finally got this DVD in McKay's on May 30th. It's a classic. Two classic movies, that is. One of these should be put in the National Film Registry. Here's the front, the spine, and the back.